Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use LED flash or alerts on any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung device and you want to get or use LED flash for alerts, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app and here just scroll down and you will get accessibility option here. Just tap on it, then tap on advanced settings and here just tap on flash notification. And here you will get two settings. You must have to enable both settings. Now whenever you receive a call or any message or alert, you will get a flash notification. Now if you can't get the settings, you must have to go to your main settings, then go for search option and here the search for flash and you will get flash notification setting. Just tap on it, then tap on the option and here just enable both settings. So in this way you can easily use LED flash for alerts on any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.